So we are now slowly moving out of the hall. This is the Grand Parade for the 2013 Fardea Athletic Meet here at Ballesteros, Cagayan. Unang tropa ay unti-unti nang lumalabas. Kasunod na po ang athletic delegation ng Pamplona in green. Wow! I love it. I love this one. Ulitin po natin, almost 2,000 more or less athletes and officiating officials are joining this parade. Okay. In green, ladies and gentlemen, we have Pamplona Athletic Delegation. And right after Pamplona Athletic Delegation, we now have in blazing red the athletic delegation coming all the way from Abulug in red. Wow! Ayan, sunod-sunod na ang ating mga atleta at magpapatuloy po tayo ng pagbibigay ng live coverage nitong nagaganap na parada. Kaumpisa pa lang ng napakahaba. This must be one of the longest parade na na-witness na experience natin po dito sa bayan ng Ballesteros.